AI can give you a gorgeous close-up in seconds. It still cannot tell you when the story needs a close-up at all. That is the real shift right now. Pixels are cheap. Judgment is still expensive. Image generation, motion synthesis, face animation, set extension, style consistency, even audio-driven timing all got radically easier. But the hard part did not move. The bottleneck is no longer, can we make this image? The bottleneck is, do you know what image the scene needs, and why, and in what order? Think of AI video tools as execution instruments. They are not authoring systems that you prompt for finished work. If you have craft knowledge, the tool becomes a fast render engine for your decisions. If you do not, it becomes a slot machine that pays out pretty frames with no meaning. Here is the first big finding. Hybrid fluency is not learning more prompts. It is using directing vocabulary to drive the machine. Shot grammar, edit rhythm, performance intent, and visual identity, those are the steering wheel. Without them, the output is visually competent and narratively empty. You get beautiful shots that do not cut together. No pressure on the performance, no consistent world rules, no relationship to the sound. So what should you let AI do? And what must you keep for yourself? Let the machine execute. Have it generate images and variations. Have it synthesize motion and stabilize a camera idea. Use audio to drive lip sync. Extend environments. Enforce style consistency. Let it help you align and edit. But you decide the meaning. You choose the shot size and angle and why it comes next. You decide where a cut lands relative to a line or a breath. You define the identity and the rules of the world. And you decide when to throw away a shot that looks great but says nothing. The second finding is practical, and it changes how you prompt. Prompt from shot grammar, not from vibes. If you start with cinematic and moody, you usually get wallpaper. Instead, begin with concrete film language. Medium close-up, eye level, static. Then describe the action. Then describe the light and palette. That one change creates shots an editor can actually cut into a sequence because the camera logic stays stable. Third, build your shot list before you open the tool. Decide what the sequence needs first, then generate it on purpose. Random prompting is not exploration. It is avoiding decisions, and the edit will punish you for it later. Fourth, treat continuity as a system, not a miracle. Use reference frames to lock the rules. Lens height, color temperature, spatial geometry. The reference is there to stabilize your world, not to copy someone else. Once the rules are locked, you can change content inside that system and still feel coherent. Fifth, direct performance in layers. This matters even more with AI because the tool can fake emotion without intention. Start with the body, posture and stillness versus fidgeting. Then the face, eyeline and mouth tension. Then timing. Hold, then react. Delay the smile. Flinch before the line ends. If you only prompt sad, you get a mask. If you specify behavior and timing, you get intent. Music video creators hit a special trap here. Beat detection can find the grid, but the grid is not the cut. You can cut on the one, or on the vocal entry, or against the beat for tension. You can cut on phrasing and breath. Let AI find the beats. You decide the rhythmic strategy. Otherwise, you get edits that are perfectly aligned and completely lifeless. One more counterintuitive one. Stop trying to generate one perfect shot. Generate coverage. Coverage is freedom. It lets you pace, escalate, and change your mind. A single continuous perfect AI shot often becomes a cage because you cannot restructure it. So here is a simple way to apply it today. Take one scene or one chorus. Spend time deciding before generating. Define the shots you need, the look, rules you will obey, the performance intent, and the edit strategy. Then open the tool, generate coverage, and judge every shot against one standard. Does it cut? Does it read? Does it belong? In the AI era, your competitive advantage is not the ability to render, it is the ability to decide.